Good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Obsessed. I always start my video in the morning, but today I thought why not I do it in the evening and wish you all a good evening. So as you are aware that this is the month of June and I am doing a skincare and self-care series. So this is the third video in the series and the video is about beauty tools that every girl needs. Yes, I have recently purchased some new and innovative skincare tools from Amazon. Thanks to Amazon that we are still getting our deliveries. Apna dukan hai na, like they say, even if it's locked down outside and everything, still because of Amazon we can still get our hands on the things that we really need. And out of the things, I have picked up some of them which are very innovative and very budget friendly. So I have about 6 products with me today which I will be sharing with you guys. Out of this 6 products, one of the product is a magical product. When I first saw it on Amazon, I was like not sure, but I thought I'll give it a try, and that is the product which has helped me change the shape of my face. Yes. So if you want to know about that particular product, please stay tuned till the end of the video. Alright, so without a further ado, let's get started with the first product. So the first product that I have for you guys is this. You must be wondering what is this? This is a hair drying turban towel. So this is a very comfortable, it's a microfiber finish towel, and it helps you to wrap your wet hair up like a turban. And it's not like those big towels which feel very heavy on your head. It is very lightweight and it absorbs the water and helps you to air dry your hair. So you don't have those, water droplets drizzling from your hair once you are out of your bath. So this is something which is very nice, and I would leave the link of the product price and everything in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check it out there. So this was the first product which I think is extremely essential for all the girls with long hair. Not only long hair, anybody who has hair on their head can use this, so that you can soak it up and you don't have to use a hair dryer or a blow dry or something like that on a regular basis, because that actually destroys your hair follicles. So this is something which is really good. Alright, so next up on the list is this particular belt, which is a back scrubbing silicone belt, and this is something that I got from Amazon as well, and the name of the product is Yovso Silicone Back Scrubber Bath Brush Washer for dead skin removal, men's, women's, double-sided brush belt for shower exfoliating belt, easy to clean, lathers well, etc. So this is something that I got and I haven't used it, but this is really helpful when you are in your bath and you don't have somebody to help you scrub your back. This is something definitely very useful, and it's very economical as well. I think it was for 150 or something, but I would leave the product link in the description box or somewhere on the screen if I get the price. Let's move on to the next product, which is a silicone facial cleaner. This is from a brand called Miniso, and it is a battery facial scrubber or something like that. Yeah, facial scrubber that you can use. So this is one side that you can use. This is a little more rough than the other side. This is a little softer compared to the other side, and there is a battery that you can put in. It does not come with a battery. You have to use a AAA battery for this particular one, and there is a switch here. You need to switch it on and then it vibrates. So you probably use it on your face in circular motion so that you have good blood flow and it cleans your skin as well. So this is something that I got from Miniso, and it's called facial cleansing removal, dirt, impurities, makeup, etc. So this is the product that I got, and this is amazing. So this is something that I'm going to keep because this is very useful, but I will make sure that I'm not even though it says that it's waterproof, but I will make sure I don't use water around this area, the battery portion, because last time I purchased something like this and it was told that you can use it in water. It's waterproof, so I actually dipped the entire thing in water, and the next day it stopped working, because then I realized the battery was damaged. So this time I will be a little more careful and not insert this part in water, definitely. So that's that. So next on the list we have this blackheads removal kit that I ordered. Even though I don't have that many blackheads or anything like that, or acne or something, but I'm gonna try this on Neil because he has got a couple of blackheads on his nose, and he is like very reluctant and he doesn't want to get a facial done or something to remove it. So I'm gonna try this on his face. And this is from a brand called Liomes Suction Head Electric Acne Extractor Remover Vacuum Skin Cleaner Face Nose Suction Blackhead Remover Skincare Tools, blah blah blah. So this is the product, and it is available on Amazon, and it was for $7.99. and I am gonna show you how does this product look like. So this is how the picture is there on the screen. You guys can see this is the picture. Okay, and it comes with, okay, it has got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how it looks. This is the extractor, so you just switch it on. Okay, and then there are modes that you can select, and you put it on your nose or wherever you have blackheads or acne that you want to extract, and you can just extract it. Can you hear the sound? This is how it vibrates. It has got options, so this is switch off, and then you started from like so. Okay, so depending on how much frequency or vibration you can tolerate, you can use this one. So next up on the list I have this face steamer, which is a beauty face steamer. What it helps you to do is that it helps you to have a glowing face if you steam your face once a week, because then you can avoid all the dirt settling into your skin or something like that. And you can also use it to steam your hair as well once you oil your hair. In case if you are someone who loves to oil your hair, you can use this to steam your hair once you oil your hair, because right now, as you know, we cannot have a hair spa done. So this is something that you can use. Also, it comes with 3 attachments. This is the big attachment. Then we have a small attachment. I'm not sure what is this one used for. I have to check and let you know. And this is one small one which is for steaming your hair. So this is for your face. This I don't know. And this is, so you put in water and you steam your face like the ones you see in parlors. You can also use it if you are suffering from cold or anything like that, even to inhale and clear your breath during this situation. This is something which is very, very essential and very helpful as a beauty tool. So yes, you should definitely give it a try. The facial steamer comes from a brand called Health Genie Nano Cure Facial Steamer and Medical Steam Inhaler Steamer Vaporizer with Nano Ionic Technology, UV Sterilization, Steamer for face and cold and cough. So this is how it looks. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yes, now you can see. This is how it looks, and it is again available on Amazon. Okay, so the next product and the showstopper of today is this face correcting band that I got from Amazon, and this is from a brand called VFox, and it says that it actually helps you to tone your face and help you reduce those facial fat and help you lift your cheekbone. I am not sure. I've been using this for the last 3 days, 1 hour each day, and you guys can tell me if there is a facial lift that has happened on my face. So do comment and let me know if there is any changes that you can notice on my face, and if you see that my cheekbone is lifted or something like that, and my jawline is there very sharp and my chin has become like a V shape, then please comment and let me know if you guys are also noticing the effect. This is a belt that you need to apply around your face like so. Like this you have to apply. Right now I'm not going to apply because it's going to ruin my hair. But yeah, that's how you need to apply. And then once you do, this is something that you see at the doctors when they do like BP test or something. So this is something really nice. You just press it like this, and these two areas which is placed here around your I think it's a jawline or something. Yeah, so this inflates, and then it actually pushes your facial muscle inside, which helps you to have a more defined face. And this is something that I'm using for last 3 days, and I'm really enjoying this. I am sure you guys, if you are lazy like me to do facial yoga or something like that, then you guys would also opt for it and enjoy a nice chiseled jawline. Alright, so these were all the 6 products that I purchased recently from Amazon. They are really innovative, and I'm very happy to try this and let you know in future as well if I would be repurchasing all these products or not, and how long these products are sustaining. If you guys want to have your hands on any of these products, you can check the description box. The links are there in the description box for each and every product. And that's about it. I think that was it. And if you guys are enjoying the series that I'm doing for the month of June, which is skincare and self-care, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the bell icon. And if you haven't subscribed till now, then please subscribe to my channel. We are heading towards 17,000. It's a big community right now. I also post on my community tab on a regular basis. And if you are not following me on my Instagram handle is also growing, and I would leave the link somewhere on the screen here, or you will find all the details in the description box along with my website details as well. So definitely go check that out. And yeah, if you have anything that you want me to try in this series, which is like related to health or self-care or beauty or skincare, feel free to leave me a comment, and make sure this video reaches 1,000 likes, and there will be a surprise video for you guys then if this video reaches 1,000 likes. See you in my next one. I think this was pretty long. However, it was lovely speaking to you guys, and also while I'm filming I can get ready, and I feel so happy when I get ready. So see you in my next one. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and be obsessed about whatever you do in your life in a positive way, definitely. And don't forget to wear your mask whenever you go out. Take care. Bye bye.